Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make a box cake mix taste homemade. Guys, this recipe is easy. The cake is flavorful. You can add so many different ingredients to make box cake mix better depending on the type of the cake you are making. For example, if you are making chocolate, swap coffee for water to make a chocolate espresso cake. So guys, let's get started. You know, Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then generously grease your pan with a non-stick baking spray. Next, after greasing the pan, sprinkle the pan with the sugar. This will make the cake come out crispy. Now let's get started. The recipe on the cake mix calls for 3 eggs. Add additional egg in a large bowl. The cake mix also calls for 1 cup water. We're gonna replace that with buttermilk. The buttermilk, guys, will add a whole lot of moisture to the cake. Next, replace the oil with melted butter. Double the amount. Add vanilla extract. Next, we're gonna follow with the cake mix and instant vanilla pudding. Now beat at low speed until moistened, about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, beat at medium speed for about 2 minutes. You can take your box cake mix to the next level with this easy basic recipe. A few simple additions make it extra moist and delicious. If you make this recipe, guys, trust me, you'll never go back to plain old box cake mix ever again. This recipe also works great for 2 8-inch cake pans or 3 6-inch cake pans. Next, pour the batter on a prepared pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Cook with the same directions that are mentioned on the cake box. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 33 to 36 minutes. The cake baked for 35 minutes. We're gonna pull it out of the oven, let it cool slightly, then invert onto a cooling rack to cool completely. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my